Hannah Rocky here with Gabru.
Hi guys!
Hello po. Yun, Gabby and Ruru, ano yung masasabi nyo ng kaibahan ng love team nyo sa mga love team ngayon? Kasi sikat ang mga love team ngayon. So, ano yung edge ng Gabru?
Well,
Parehas kaming may dimples.
well, ayun nga, ewan ko, lagi yata nila sinasabi ko, alaming lahat. Well, kami talaga, hindi naman namin pinaplano lahat ng bagay.
Yeah, maybe we're both spontaneous in different ways. And in everything that we do, we really don't plan it. We just go with the flow and we keep, we're being spontaneous lang in everything that we do. And yun yung masaya, yun yung right ng journey ng love team namin, which makes it like stronger.
Yes, and talagang siguro lahat naman ng love teams, love na love nila yung mga fans nila. Well, ganun kami, sobrang mahal na mahal din namin sa rest.
Parehas kayo naging successful sa rom-com nyo last year, which is Let the Love Begin, and ngayon sa Encantadia. So aside after fantasy and rom-com, ano yung next project ng Ruru, ng Gabru?
Well,
naabangan ng mga fans.
Well, for now,
we have Sunday Pinasaya every
Sunday.
So even though kung matatapos man yung Encantadia, you can still catch us at Sunday Pinasaya. And we'll see pa.
Yes.
We'll see.
And since summer ngayon, ano po yung fitness regimen yung dalawa?
Fitness?
Fitness, yes. Do you have fitness activities like workouts, sports, gym?
Yeah, ito si Ruru very active.
Si Ruru.
Well, ngayon kasi sobrang bihira na ako mag-workout. So, yung diet ko medyo strict. Like, ginagawa ko yung diet na ketogenic diet. Ayun yung high fats, high protein, pero without carbs and sugar. So, ginagawa ko na siya for about 2 months.
Yes.
And ayun, so far yun lang ginagawa ko dahil hindi na ako nakapag-gym ngayon.
I have yet to motivate myself to go to the gym. Yes.
Kailangan niya ng kasama.
Kailangan talaga. Dapat samahan mo siya.
Yes.
Para
Yun nga eh. Sinasama ako nga.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Gabru, and see you sa upcoming event. Thank you.